This video will show you the steps to sign up, register your membership, and ensure your license plate is activated for your membership parking with Fort Calgary. Please go to fortcalgary.permit.parkplus.ca. It is recommended that you use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari browsers. On the main page, click the Welcome button to begin. On the sign-in page, you must create an account. You also have the option to sign in with Google. If you have created an account using the online parking permit system prior to the setup with Residential Parking Program, the Calgary Zoo, TELUS Spark, or Heritage Park, you will use the same email and password. If you have already created an account but forgot your password, you can click the Reset Password button. Alternatively, if you did not verify your email when you created your account, you can have the verification email resent to you by clicking Resend Verification Email on this page as well. For now, click the Create Account button. Here, you must enter your first name, last name, email address, and create a password. Click Sign Up. A verification email will be sent to the email provided. Please verify your email before proceeding. You will now see the Manage Permits page. You must first register your membership by selecting Register Membership on the left. Here, you must enter your last name as it appears on your membership and your membership number. Then click Submit. Now, you can add a license plate to your account. Click Add or Remove License Plate from Plate List. Here, you will see an Edit License Plate List menu. On the left, you have the ability to add a new plate. Click the license plate box to type in your license plate. Then, select the province or state from the drop-down menu. Once you are ready, click Add Plate. Your license plate will now appear in the plate list menu. You can add as many license plates as you wish to the list. However, only 2 can be active at one time. You can also only use one of those vehicles in the parking lot at any one time. To ensure the plate you want is active, click Edit Active Plate List and click the switch beside your license plate number to turn it green. Click Save. You have now created your online parking permit account, registered your membership, and ensured your license plate is activated. If you need any additional help, you can also click Show Help on the Manage Permits and the Register Membership page, which will guide you through the step-by-step process that we have outlined in this video. The Show Help button also includes explanations for any error messages which may pop up if you have missed a step. If you have other membership-related inquiries, please contact 403-290-1875 or send us an email. Thank you for parking at Fort Calgary.